Today is Saturday, 12:50 na. And punta kaming Evia today to watch The Odyssey. Kasi ever since nag-release siya, yun na yung laman ng FYP ko. We are not watching it through IMAX. So, not as Nolan intended. Pero, I'm very excited. On repeat din sa akin yung The Epic musical. Specifically, yung song na Would you fall in love with me again? Saka The Challenge. So I'm very excited. And very excited to watch a Nolan film on cinema, even though hindi siya IMAX. But I'm very excited. So, ready na ako. I'm just waiting bago kami umalis. Pag-vlog nun. Book cover lang. Yung ano ba? Yung may dikit na? Or ano na?
Gigising wala siyang content.
Dapat habang naglalagay. Thank you.
What do you expect to find? Happy people everywhere.
Hello, it's 9:34 na and kanina pa kami nakauwi pero I'll give a quick update to the movie. 10 out of 10. Love it. It's so good. Like, it's one of those movies that I think you should see on cinema. So good. Like, I would want to rewatch it, but I think I'll just wait for it to come out sa streaming services. But it's so good. If you haven't seen it, go see it. So good. Anyways, what I love about it is the cinematography and then also the sound effects. Like, ang lakas ng sounds dun sa cinema. And it's so good. Like, dumadugong-dong yung upuan namin. Which is good. Kasi may mga cinema na mahina yung sounds. And buti pa dun, malakas. So, it's really good. The storyline is also good. The characters, the acting. My gosh. So good. Grabe. Like, the sound of the bow. If you know, you know. It's like, ang funny kasi may mga moments na, may mga lines and moments na parang, like, period. Which is so funny. Anyways, after noon, kumain lang kami. And then, actually, before kami manood, we checked out National kasi may National na pala doon. Ang tagal namin hindi nakakapag-Evia. Pero may National pala doon. And I got a book. This is The Irresistible Urge to Fall for Your Enemy. Nakita ko na siya before pa, like matagal na. Tapos ang dami ko rin nakikitang fan art sa kanya. Pero ngayon ko lang siya binili. And ngayon ako na-intrigue kasi recently naghahanap ako ng fantasy books na like duologies lang, para mabilis lang, pero like maganda pa din. And nakita ko yon. And actually dinownload ko siya sa Kindle ko kasi if I'm not mistaken, kakalabas lang yung second book. So, dinownload ko siya sa Kindle, pero nakita ko siya sa National, so binili ko na siya. Actually, nakita ko rin siya sa Fully Book, like nung gabi na. Pero nagulat ako kasi, mas mahal pala yung books sa Fully Book. Like sa Fully Book, nasa 1K, 1,100 na siya. And sa National, it's only 895. And, ano yan, same book, same publisher and everything. Mas mahal talaga siya. If nakakita ko ng books na meron din sa National, I suggest just buy whatever is in National. Pero kasi may mga books talaga na sa fully book lang meron and wala sa National. So, I guess ganun na yung gagawin ko. If may nagustuhan akong book sa fully book, i-check ko muna if available siya sa National. And then, I'll just buy sa National. Although kasi, meron din namang discount sa fully book if you're a member. Mas malaki pa rin yung imumura mo if sa National. Ewan ko. Pero, anyways, ayun lang. Ganun naman. Yun lang naman ginawa namin actually today. Pero I think my plan for tonight is to continue reading my book. I started this book kagabi. And it's so good. Like, 30% na ako. This is The Jessad Heir by Sarah Hashem. I don't know if yun yung pronunciation name niya. Pero, last year ko pa siya nakikita. I put it off. Like, I put off reading it kasi hindi ko din alam. Pero, this is a duology, I believe. Tapos, parang Egyptian story siya. So, I've never read anything like this. Ayun lang. Love the movie. I love today. So, very happy. Kindle. Teriyaki na lang. Bento ba? Depende sa ano ba ito? Sabihan nyo no, bueno. Nakauwi. Wala na yung sab. Demolish. Thank you. Babi na balik ko sa'yo.
Nakabox dito.
With the same dress from 99
Kano?
discount here.